Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how you can give exam in our newly upgraded system. First of all, to open the website, please open Google Chrome browser. Don't open any other browser. Don't use this app or any other browser. Use this app. Here, type the URL, which is go to school dot extramarks dot com. Go to school dot extramarks dot com. Then click on the arrow. This page will appear. Now from here, you have to select these three lines in the top right corner. And you have to click on login. Here you have to type your username and password. For username, you type capital ST, then you type your admission number. Okay. Then you write @ then gmail.com. Remember, ST will be in capital and gmail.com will be in small letters. Then password you type 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click on login.
Be careful, never change your password.
Once you click on login, please wait a little bit. Once you are logged in, you will come to this page. Here, scroll down and see there is a weekly test series, and in this option you will see all your upcoming tests. Now here already one test is going on, that is demo test. To join this one or to attend this test, click on this option. This page will come. Here you will see the test name, date and the timing. To give this test, click on take test. Once you come to this page, you scroll up a little bit. You will find this page here. Again I am showing. When you come to this page, you scroll up a little bit and click on start test. Once you click on start test, you see remaining time 1.54 minute, that is 1 minute 50 seconds. Here you have one objective type question. You select any of the option. Then you have to click on next. This one. Don't click on and test unless you have answered all your questions. If you click on and test, then your paper will be submitted automatically and you will not be able to answer any unanswered questions. Clear? So now I'll be clicking on next. Now this is a subjective question. What is meant by a computer? Now either you can answer by clicking in this text box and typing the answer, or you can click in this upload file option and click on camera. This will open up your mobile camera. Now this answer you can write on a paper and you can click picture of that paper and press this right button. Your picture will be uploaded here. Now remember, this option is available only when you are giving exam through a mobile. If you are giving exam through a laptop or desktop, this option will not be there. Now once the time is up, you will get this option. Here you have to click on submit button. Don't click on this abort test, because if you click on this abort test, your paper will be submitted without your answers. So always click on submit test. Now if you finish your exam before the time, then you can click on end test as well. Once you click on end test or submit test, this page will appear. This is a summary of your test. You click on yes. So this is how you submitted your paper successfully. Now see, under weekly test you have two tests, demo test and information technology. Demo test is the one which you gave just now, which is still under evaluation. That is, it is not evaluated by your teachers yet. And the second one, it is already evaluated. So you can check the result clicking on this view analysis button. Now you can see your result here. Now to log out, you click in this option and click on log out. Thank you all.